re enaswe ene wuko na watwene ne yapamu no eti ye wahwoden won kwan de na adwuma no ene wose yetoa so na ne ekoso ewo my Ghana ene wiase afa na nyina mu no abuse say that die nya na wo beka enye coronavirus biemu asem foforo benya na apesa wo kan ya emfa coronavirus say ya manyosem a coronavirus echem say ya asetena mu yedi a echem bibia wo benya hoden na wo de beye adwuma ahoden no say woni a wontumi nya adwuma woni a wontumi nya campaign woni a wona wo so ye hwan yo ade no esese bo ye na ade somoman no wontumi nye eti ahoden no ye hwe kwan a ye betumi afa so ye benya hoden na wo a wo ye mra hye badwani watumi aye wadwuma wo ye mampani na watumi adu mampani wo so ye opposition na pese obedi tumi a say ye ntumi antoto niema yie abo sa coronavirus covid-19 mu a ebrebe so no oman ne da wo na nipa ni eti wan na wo bedi ne so enu nti na ese ebere na du se wo a wo ye campaign wo a wo ye dan yo obi a boa ma covid-19 no eye coronavirus sensemi no ye tumia kana ye sipo eti ye sipo wi a ni ada ye ni na fe politics ni ewom ni ye abushie se wiase nyina amanya nanka yese wo ho den aman we de wogina bona so aman we de chese de na wontumi nye wonum nyina sese obi awutumi se empanimfu edi oman nani so ohase gina ho no wo kasa minim countries ahoro a presidents abegina ho ye ma address ye ma obi abegina ho a wo hwe nani mu atim se BBS a amman nipa no a wogina wo kasa no chese eniema bonibrim say ye US man pani Donald Trump was wording was wo hye chese say de bia sacha ye bane abusua se wutie ne o ka wutumi se enye easy nto o mind se Ghana o mind se o atiase man Ghana na se ya ntoto ye niema na say yesi nipa maako nson wo ka bi di na wo boa ena enye sa na tie nipa nson Ghana for wo man no ayatimo no woni abodi fram no ne awo bewuram ni nyina no yes important case ya di free woni na wo free o man foforo so na eba and wo yes wo di bewuro magimo ya tumi ehu ebi wura mu ekofie ansa na ehu o ebi so achese ye take temperature ye hu wo nyina no abusuan ye wo mu ane se nipa nson and wo magimo ya tumi anya ena sabo kwa me no ne so asesei ene soafo ohwa me no ne nsam so no wo so di tu dwase Ghana for miensa ene wa firi mu na sa Ghana for miensa Denmark nipa san baako Italy nipa mienu ya bonum nyina ye Ghana for eti sabo tena bo magimu na ye wagi so ena ne asine de na Ghana de kane nanka ne bi mo sha ase so omode so omumra ne ye ena bibini bia ni hono mu a wanya bie ena bibini bia ni ho ebie ku no bibini bia abusia ye kan nipa abroni ye nipa bibini ye nipa moja na gu obi amu fasika na twa wonwe sanye moja na beba enti sayade bi na eba bibini bia ni ho ye immune to yade bibini be na ye immune to yade broni be na ye immune to yade sabo anhwe bokwan ye de niema gu akwan mu ne ka cho se ntia ha wo se metia hwenna ne ekoso wo magimo hwenna niema pa ekoso wo magimo se mampani agina simpie so no de ato dwase chese enhyehye ya pomdi adwuma efo de aba ne se woni pakro enwo se nipa no dooso ebura duonunum ne yekoboa ye ho ano baabi na asofo bi anya akukuduro se ne ye asore asofo bi anya akukuduro se ne abusua ye asore yo kofo dua wono obaba ko prophetess wo ye asore kuma se so wo sofo agwadi mfie aduosia ne akire yi no asesa nkwada adi wachi wo medi wachi na Ghana fo so na wo se ye ma ye nida ho abusua yi se woni ma bakosem a US manum Jonestown so kai sa story na wonte da so a ne ewomu ni se wo sofo bi ena sa bre no tete asem na make you 1978 mu wono mo wo sofo a na wono wo se nipa di na ti nyina wa ho na wuduro sign is abre no ena US mpanimfo no obe ha ye no obe ye den yate ye mo ne yate ba etu obi anom ne enwu ye wu aye kwa ebe nipa 900 more than 900 ena wonom ye no wu ye some ko heaven some ko yin se abushie we Bible no kan akan na tiase o wo kan Bible na biem wan kasa kan na tiase na bo aso bompa ye bi se wanwura aso wan ka kire wo aso da no ye nyina ye kom ye bompa ye nanso wadwen na da wutim no nyankopon ama obi adwenfo wadwen ne ye adwuma na no sa Korea eno so sa asofo baako a asem ni di ka sha ase wo se o momra me mompa ye eno so awiedu nipa 2500 ye se nam sofo isa no ena yade no sa Korea atere wo ho etu de wotena ha no wase bewuram aso da ye bompa na na musa abusua wa hwe ya no akokun na neidie coronavirus no a afutuo ye firi mu ba ye empadimfo se ye nhohoro yensa ya ma hand sanitizer ya ma chese we so modi ama yen measures ye chese ye de agu akwan mu de he na wo ya ege very effective omo ya no maka se nsa hohoro ne de ege the best sa wo ba horo nsa na busuade ne de hohoro yensa ensuo ne de hohoro yensa ensuo ne de hohoro yensa na ensuo hu kwa atwe ebo nkran ya ene o meya fana bi ensuo hu ye den eti yesi ye hohoro yensa ye mfa ensuo hohoro yensa na se empanimfo a wo hwe ensuo so wo mbayi amanfo nyansuo nom no de bia woro wonsa de na ekoso wo mbro no awoduo bi so abusua enne ye ne Ghana water mpanimfo si adwa na ya hwe ensuo na yesi ye mfa nworo yensa de na ekoso enhyehye ye ben wo de agu akwan mu amanfo benyansuo ni anase bonu statement yo de ba ye na nu amu ne ye benam ne ye de ekuo so a wo mo so ensuo ni ahonie wadi ene se wo hwe so koni wasefo abusua ne ye wo fie ha se Ghana Water Company Limited ye wo mpanimfo wo fie ha ene ye wo koni wasefo so wo ha ya wo beboa ye nti ne de doctors ne guso ye wo famu de ensuo no so a ye mfa nworo ye nsa no enum na ye ba ye mfa sedama DBS rufinshi alomo bites alomo at 20 agbeve heba center Franco Trading Enterprise abusua se ye ka DBS rufinshi ta wo boda so wasi danya wie ene ye chese odo de ne ye na aka mmoso no DBS rufinshi te be chense a wo de boda so a 20 years warranty emfie duo no wo de boso na nuru ye na je hwe sa fa beje brand new beje DBS rufinshi ta kukuduro no de ka asebwe esu waji wo hudi eti na wo be boda so a no akwaji bi alomo bites so de abuso eguso chade yeguso chemponche yeguso chekai yeguso che flat screens ni nyina alomo bites so to no ahwe sachet no ne da hu bia wanwi no akwaje na ponche no ye de ahoma so ne mene tie no ase odidu fia watwa ne mene odi ayem pushio wo na ase na de alomo na si nchen na wo na musa agbeve heba center mona soap na mona cream abusia fa soap ni dware se ya ye kan ya wohoro yensa no mona soap no utumi de wohoro nsa sa chese ade yi nka firi wo ho ebe yi fin bi afiri wo nsa mona soap na the cream no so asra kama wo na wo sene no Franco Trading Enterprise de eye Franco TV na papa Franco de abadwa so eti TV no se bi si wood se ebusia ebi wo dem a utim se TV ani da ho TV a efe TV a ya ye ni shape mu Franco TV ene tisa wo koso a mobile phone kra na hia no so ye de bi beka ho abusua nwuma yi na ebo ye chidom amiede ene bani ni sujumedie Adom 106.3 FM so abrewo midin ede Akua Boakyewaa Yiadom ofra mi ABY abusua mejo so ani producers no bo mi chidom listo wo kwadwofo dwa benagwa santie siedu kwamkule no Felix Anima Pawo ena ye wo Frank Milovan so ewo ha Hyra ena dia tum live wo Facebook ubetumi ahwe ye na de wadwencha to like ya no wa share Hyra ye dem live wo Facebook Adom 106.3 FM empanimfo so aye ni wo si adwa anwumren Owura Stanley Mate ene Director of Communications Ghana Water Company Limited papa wa ye adwuma yate wa bo ho ache papa me gidi se wote Stanley Mate din yenne ena da bia so beti na nsuo ne tare ho eti waba he na chese ensuo saa na wode aba ena koni wasefo de wo musi nyansuo nko enyansuo nko ahonie se beye a wo bedu huni NGO so bo Ghana ha ene obi abaji osi oni ye bwe wo mu de wo musi wo se nsuo nipa no mo ene efin atwa ye ho ahia yetumi hwe ne yetu ase eti nei yesi ahonie coronavirus ye ni ye huni a ehye ne sen embenifo makwa ba enwumren boko de
Yes, Adom.
Jamate, if so free officer and we see hey, it's a time that so ball. Ejumana na what was I would do. I know. I even say, saying you wanted
24/7 year go so anytime be because I say making sure say in so baby challenges so system inside anytime be a friend say or how baby or say see honey making sure say it's my rectify and the end yenda
24/7 and I na mo ye adwuma
and the beer anytime
and I na frem amba
anytime you have
e frem amba
exactly
ayo yeah that's it ma me nko owura ata boahen eja ata ahen
yes
this ahen
amen
boko de
Yesu adomboko
kwani waswe wo mu ana yate monkan wo mu ana sa yedwini mugu adwuma no so
eguso den izan se ye de buta nyina ne se Ghana ni ba bia benya nsu papa no na pomuden so awie peye na mpotemo ote eho aye clean then ko fire emre no especially emofra ene wona woni bie nti eguso a ebomoden se itusa na mo no
niema betumi akoso eti wa Abraham mpani ene mpanimfo ehwa pomuden so adi tu dwa ka se yawe no ayi ni ti no coronavirus no one effective way ya ye betumi aboa pa nipa betwe ho afiri ho ene ye kan hand sanitizers na amanfo atu aguso nanso yese ne yedi mu pa ne se obewro sa mo te ye no ena mo si o ene ye Ghana ye defense ana say fi say ensuo sam ne ahonie ne de mu wom mo te ye say na madwen ye mo
ye te ye no ye ni ji se mai pa izan se bibi nyansi a o boderu na nkofo ntia asie e wo se ne ofa no na wa we se ye de san hihye tudwa na afi wa be fa bia ni pe ohoro wonsa obi e bomo se obenya nsuo ni semina ohoro nensa na me ka ebisa me ho se edisen ka se ne ye no pa abribia enka mofra afi bia wo 3600 from diarrhea no enka mbe wu ana oh ye twan ma BBC ansan ye to anamon enso ya ka say hand washing with soap and running water there bibia ni wa eye eduro sense ade no nipa se otumi
mo frika e kura che
practice a yare about 70% di nipa ko hospital no there e be free mu enti
enye coronavirus nko
enfa da bi coronavirus there say nanu ya no oba enso ma na yare ahodo cholera diarrhea ene de keka ho eku nipa bebre
ankansa ho ro so betumi aye
prevent enso yenye enso we abe no minim se yenya no ho enka we no chikura na yenkoso a na yenye ebe boy
times ni bi wo ho no mo ase wo ho dada na no benifo sha bucket no we ya no bisa Veronica bucket na Veronica be na ne bucket wo ho esu nipa mpo nim se ye wo bucket bi pipe wo ho ye friend se Veronica bucket
yenim na me dekra ne se obekọ ba bi na ye church kwan ye fa so kra ohoro ye nsa no nye nsa no ohoro keke ne mu kwan papa ye fa so ohoro obekọ chobas restaurant na ye de nso agugbo ma be si wanim se fa ohoro nsa eno no de fin ni nyina frafra. Then so you have to do it under running water. It has our pipe out the ohro and obi hwe so na gu nsa no so no ohro ni yie. Say no many age say Ghana for say yasom. Na minim say yem fancy ya yenkoso anye whether coronavirus or not. Yenkoso nye ne yebebo nkwa ho ban yie pa.
Ye beba ni atoa so ni ahwa eho akade ne sienya na mamemra Owura Stanley Mate so. Eja Mate Nano mo press release a mo de beto abonten wa Abraham mpani ka ye yenhohoro yensa ye hwe ya na letedem asempoten ben ena mo ka che Ghana fo efi se ebi kan mo se na Ghana waterfo asem mo kan die ene sen cheye mu letter mo de beto udwa no
yeah that's it say January or be first week in January and a Ghana Water Company Limited ye did press release bar out say ye ra opebrim na anytime bia ye ra opebrim a demand for water no a cost and sometimes so say cost it me a hard drink kakra but the nyina say we're just being proactive so that we'll let people know, say this is how the situation is going to be. Now, Obia intimi yusu insu ye. Na me say insu na at least it be saving insu the say here be was it me yusu insu no it me yusu na sa. There ya ye juma na che inti seasons ye binya challenges na ye nim. So we always try to be proactive. Na Obia intimi who what is ahead and what we envisage. Na yentimi embo ye hoban. Inti a few weeks after Anna Galamsey so no so mu into some parts of the countries na ya hadwin, especially social western region, central region, Ashanti region, any upper west no Galamsey ni man ni muso na afi insuo so tinena ye twen ye nua no Galamsey ni nti ama ayateche ama ye twen intin dodo na enua mamafo ma omonum into sha western region secondary takrade for instance no ye two children plants are ye de treating so a pompe ma omonum no my 11 capacity about 11 million gallons of water a day every day bia, but because of dry season no insutina no a call from Galamsey no so man so nyina ya tache no. Now we were only able to treat between 2,000 and then 4,000. Sometimes 2 million to 5 million gallons a day. Now show the gap between 5 million and 11 million, another 3 million and 11 million. Now, who say there's nowhere you bet me enya isudodo na momanum. So the only thing was to ration. Until from January no, or more secondary takrade, especially the Yamamatia said this is the situation. So the only way I beat my budget gap no is to ration water. So we've been ration water.
Ration water no, and I just say you know toto pipe ye che tum na ayebie
nti
every January no
na ochina na atum na yama area B adecha na atum yama area C nti eche takrade for instance any takrade eche omo to 4 zones and within the week no eche nsu no more, but we had announced to them into omo you know the real situation at here, and there wasn't any way to solve the challenge than to manage the water distribution within the system in that way. Exactly. And nunti na Ghana water dibia yeba out ya kase Galamsey no emboyen nti yam nyina yam bom na yankuntia na sana yebetimi aboye homoden enya nsuo anom ama enya apomden ada yedwuma magana.
Galamsey no nkone mohawo a eham wo madwuma yimu efise sane ya wo kan munim seasons a ye wo mu ewo mayim se ewo mu a ye wo sutobre ene ye wo pebre ena pebre bia no se afini duru na ye duru sa bri mu a ensuo akese no kra na ekofem ewo madwuma free me santin eti ya Galamsey no nko an mohawo.
Okay, enya Galamsey nko every form of pollution bia no ewo effect water production. So the more you polluting so the more difficult it becomes for us to treat the water. Sanye difficult so na a manner ye very expensive to treat the water. And Nuntina, we are not just fighting against Galamsey, but we are also fighting against all forms of pollution. In Tusha, about 2-3 years back, somewhere in Tamale, Dalon, Nawuni River, na yetwin awo yen dalon treatment plant na yenua no na and also during the dry season no aya na amanfo ekutu anua awo nsu na se omu tu anua na omu wini sand na aya na ma nsu ni ayefin ayateche, and also was a big challenge. About 2-3 years ago soldier folk ho ekoche omo tracks na no keka ho ehye no na no keka, because we had really worked hard at stopping them from doing that, but still not a more yes. So the only way security enforcement agencies is to give them severe punishments. I bet you my Twitter. They're still doing it.
Galamsey no.
Inti Osha Ghana I am a person who say Ghana for, but Yankasa near creative problems no home in this country. Just a few people creative huge problems the entire population. Not the entire population. Yana do also Emboa. And so we are fighting against all forms of pollution. Because let me tell you one of the dangers when it comes to pollution. I'm trying to say, Anuya omo tutu ana anuya no air frying so na ya ateche. Nti ateche no so enye just ebia so na efin ko aba so no sand particles, any stone particles, efra. Anuana abo efra. Inti say yam pumps no etwe nsuo na. Yam pumps no so yam build the pumps no amma aboba ne nua. Ye komo si we no ma nsuo enwo say sa nwa no wo. Inti say komu sa na ya na akosisi pumps no mu na ebubu pumps no. Pumps so so and we den custom made pumps. Inti say yentimi ahwe na yan jaya na ebubu pumps na e be take about a year for us to order one and replace.
France na matumi aye. Evisa woni mo ka chakra de se chakra de for the free January na mo sha ase se ye to pipe mu ha na ye bie wo ha no. E se nya chakra de nko. Wonipa bia won kana ase so saa ye tum na ye bie nti the whole Ghana na sa problem na ba na ase sen.
Enye the whole Ghana me explain it ba.
Explain na.
Okay, sisi ana maminka the other one na me ka about yam pumps no. Siafan says every month we are maintenance and are servicing once in a month because of some pollution and bobano. Until sometimes you have had to do that once in a week. Now once in a week, sometimes you service I will say to a doom pump no. I take care about 24 to 48 hours to service, and also pass our nature say you are not pumping no. Not just a man down times, and then we are unable to treat water at full capacity for the people, so we don't get enough water. Emma Uncofono. Inti happy ana at the brain. Now on the ration, so and yes, secondly takwadin kwa around January, desalination plant na service station wa hono. The more request say on person we maintenance because water quality no form and a Ghana water so we wouldn't accept say on by treating so MET standards. Inti I was say momo kwan normal service and I'm maintaining plant no. On brom the mine and Breno Pahon kakra. Inti do pempen so be na was say yanks aye bomo na omutimi in term omutimi on board. So we are hoping say and ne ochine ya no omutimi ewie maintenance no and then they'll come on board. Inti testing wa area side on na ration no to be travel.
So na ye tutumu. So okay say you are hoping say nani ochina. Mejidi se contractor wo ye adwuma no mo mam time and she say ye wo ho se brise na wo se owie ti nani ochina ne ye da ben
mfidie na ye de adwuma it is sometimes no o envisage say and I sure obetumi wie within 1 hour na 2 hours but bibi betimi atochima na tema ko ehie it is sometimes ye must specific dates na and I na ye careful. For instance, maintenance omo ka chere say obetumi wie within a stipulated time but no can say stand on the mine upon twice upon 3 times still me into na your dates na careful but and net there who sense be within a very short time
if say wonim ni ama ye ho adwiri ye wo mo ho wa abraham ampani di tu dwa se mon hohoro monsa mon ye nhwe ne ni ehuni no nanka ye hwese from Ghana Water Company Limited ye beti say because of yade no a abaninti no e bia nsachira ya ba ye dwuma ye yemu say ni ye be kono man bi ti say Uganda because of coronavirus no ni aba ne say wo mo bus stations ahoro okro mo say ye sisi pipe wo hono mo etu nipa kro be fro basa wa hohoro nsa wo ko ha watumi aworo nsa ebi mo fa kwan foforo so mo ye bibi ye de enhu hwe afa ni ye be ka akire ye nse wo mu atu galamse asensuo no we mu ye senti na se sa biri ye wo mu no change bi entumi ma.
Okay, it is also Omambia and ne how and the challenges and the way I'm survey Omoyama. Yang as Ghana Water Company Limited. No, as sometimes I near Casania start to say I cry Ghana. There be a Ghana so a Ghana Water is a big Ghana inti ye volumes of water ye treat every region. Etimi esum year how ebia ember Around this time now, you realize it's a demand a cost through because now we've had to use water more regularly than hitherto we were doing. Increasing production I was certain places because we also do not have to waste water. Chemicals na yedi ejuma no boarding. We have increased production at certain areas. There are certain places. In treatment plants as well, omitting do omo threshold and now omo full capacity redundancy treatment planting yetimi air kum akọ so kaka so we can have more water into the system and also can ho anything na ye Ghana water company yankasa ye bo private people now more treat so air desalination plant for no omitimi aba back on board need to be so system ye tankers na no kaka ho nyina no ni nyina are on standby ni nyina no essential service providers anytime be obi here bibia or friend will drive straight and then we'll send the water to the place adia afina ba nti almost every day no be before Honma na yetimi dey improve on the situation. See here no we have to make sure say social a sector minister on one call around hospitals and on any deputies na assess the preparedness for all the hospitals and look kind of water situation and na last week you know call around na near system no actually how how be a chrome na the team actually so there are a lot of things going on and we are making sure say step by step
no my commissioner here so na what can be say more increase production by percentage saying the more increase production no yenhwe change ankasa aba no ye pese hu na nwumre if say ye de ni hu ade bi wo hono mo a ye physical ye de ni behu say na American Uganda de pipe si ho a me akua mahu say pipe na si hai etimo de no say ye spiritual say ye de ahi o kire mu ne hu na nwumre me say ahin nie empanimfo yi kan waka se o nie mampani aka no mokora e mo de se bema dodo na atumi ahohoro wonsa enhio no wen
me da sipa minya Stanley kasa no manager asem bi o kan ye ho ye de agitum se Ghana Water Company e challenges na challenges a eso minim so muguso ye ho adwuma de na o kasa na o kan asem bi se adwuma ya che o se adwuma ya che enti mo ya che enti na ke hwe kwan se enka sabredi enka motumi enya strategies bia boa ama sa abribia na yero ahyen su na nsu ashort ne ade nka to betimi atwa ade titiu ba kopa yende ya hwe anim kwan asenka Ghana Water Company betimi aye nanso entumi siye eye non revenue water say company who produce nsu sa container ya bottle back ya emu be half there uhyiegu almost half uhyiegu na yen dey say utumi ebo modern na half na uhyiegu no etumi be ka ho a net send e wo sand Ghana Water Company ba akwa be ka ho huge
o mu produce nsuo no a yeso ne so etu so ne so na ahwie bi agu ana se kire mu ono na mementi ne o kana
so na ya produce awie no ye distribute no ne eliki agu abonten ne e fa nkofo nsem a wontua ho ka hwe na wo yusu no free ni nyina ka ho ene yesa half no
na se ntokuro wo ni keji se wo
tokuro no doso na no matu ho na mo atu ka se kofa company BFN no Akua Rand Limited if South Africa by
mampani dada John Jukum ko fo
abiso di no kese pa na kese o me ni se o mbebo modern na ke si sa non revenue water no kwan enso ebe si nei asan kra ye west na ekoba na sa na ama iso na nka wo de be ma amanfo no eso ate enti se peka kra bi si pe na ahochaba se ne wo kan na ke enso ye hwe kwan se nka sabre ya sa ya re ayi ni ti enka wo call lorry parks a ebia ya ye bibi kakra si wa enso ma ebetim dia horo yensa enka wo call market enka wo call public spaces but ye hu no sa na eba ne si ana akoye ayi asotro mienu na ye ni han isan se nipa no ye so horo nensa osuo no amu wo panike na enso nso ode be horo nensa nso onibi ade a ehadwen na ye no unse so any substitute dia odi so be ye no untumi fa nsanye ana untumi fa ade foforo bia anye enti se nipa eni so a especially omo a ehia omo na woni bie no wona ho kire omo ye pa o de wa hye no so a empempi enso shortly obekọ places bi to say airport residential is Legon ya de adna nso ho na no say no amanfo bebre a complaining say menim say boapayo bi na Ghana water eye say na be ya wona otwia no nso betumi akọ eno ye nkofo complaints awoma every day me no ka say yenya calls from mia bebre aye che say we are 1 week 2 weeks kwa na nso emfa on taps muda ade a ehadwen ye hwe kwan se nka Ghana Water Company ebetumi atu anamo already no enso na eba ye mfie no there are water quality issues nipa aka ho asema enche kra na Ghana Statistical Service release report bi IFN no multiple indicator cluster survey sa report no say o fa point source be bia ekokobu nsuo no ebi a tap bi si baby ana boho ana mechanized system enso na efiri mu ba no we point source 10 bia emu 5 there contaminated with E. coli ina so nim say E. coli there to send there sebi ejana akọ nsuo nim ena we efie bia so 10 enso e ho no emu ngotwe contaminated and this issue no ho ena afi nso no nso ensan nso enti challenges no edoso na me de me hwe kwan se nka Ghana Water Company wa ya adwuma ya che enye nna na mo status adwuma we o ha no doso na ade ba ko edi mu akotre nso pa ye politicization aban ko ye ma kwan ma Ghana Water Company for nyo adwuma we no nya de on betumi aka ye tin chen de betumi aka because ko kan na abi akoya asemama na nka ya de a ye jai Ghana Water Company say mo amfa expertise enya adwuma na meminim omo ye adwuma ho no almost everybody they are competent. You have people with expertise, people who qualify to work in any utility anywhere in the world. And so baby na challenges upon challenges. She cancel also buying any shame nanka yetumi expanding infrastructure na obi obaby yetumi nya bi no so ye fan shame. Until we are not expanding the way our population no expanding. Na ye best say aban fa nani enko saadi ho san say o man bia no abetimi atumpon without access to save water to your people
but so utie mpanimfo no so wa bisa wo haw ne sen ene ni nyina kwakogina galamsey so wa bra factors no a emma wadwuma a wo ye no entumi nkoso na no ne sa wo ka bi say ensuo no ne chese ne ye sen no nko an no eki etumi ahwe ne atuatua santokro na ke no so betumi aboa mansuo no yanyamo eno de nya de so ombo so yese ni akwaya ye galamsey ena water bodies no so no ne yadododo ho ne asisi adan atwa ho ahia ama nei ensuo ni nyina dadaja awia na bebo a ni nyina ekọ eno de nimbio galamsey no nko a eti yese aban no na emfasi camera na say how no mpanimfo no so kan
how no entumi nya galamsey no nko asa galamsey no how say me can say me gitum say or challenges because now the treating so no say no kind ne boarding and this pollution very high not stability of the water no and e move fin no was through bebre a na say we use sika bebre e dey talk chemicals bebre and I wan hwe so say no kind now machines kwa akosai na mom eno achi no how foforo ho I was here my ni kwa no so ho yentumi mfe ya ni nkoto galamsey no nko aso because it sounds say bra na nsuo no kwa ni efe no na sela challenges we ebi wo ho enti okan desalination plant me yende ne atete ne amanfo so be kan say cost no so a major issue
desalination plant
of the yes
the cost of production
producing the water na ma say no so kan na ebia ama sa plant no so entimi produce nso na ebia mpanyimfo ha ombetimi a kire
fi say ne ye ka no ebra ye wo mu sese na koye ebere foforo nti se dada mu
enti wuntumi ka se kanti no
from mampani kura no mampani na ka to wono mo se ye twa sika $100 million for coronavirus no enti ade bi e be ma yade no ade bi e be ma yade no abe haye no me giri se sika no be kombi ene se doctors ene mpanimfo a we wapom di adwuma inu mu se ye hia PPE se bebo ayen was say ye workers ye to me training one. Was here to me ye way. Na sa Ghana water so what problem ah. Sikani bibe to me a call one more. Me did send when you was here to me ye bibi.
And scientists are there. Say Ora Stanley or heavy or bit me at
Ejamate $100 million no more say send a munye bet to me abwa mo majumu. What ran one of Agalam say now maybe say no one dear and one
Ghana Water Company Sika Muhiano and $100 million so
at least near bet to me abwa my man when you yan ye was Ejamate
I'm saying Minu Yano Pierre Coso. But we say yare we buy afina I say nyayamo yemuswa ye boy humo den say ebeye the cinema. It can't happen in a day, it can't happen in a week. So to say there are a lot of things we'll keep doing till young ebetu penso be who say okay we can't and then like I say you talk young fan say receptacles need to see vantage points crap na it will take us more than a month to finish. So to say I was saying say even sika kra omampanyin eka say wo ho krapo say wo pebia je krapo anya say wo call Flagstaff House and the amount you have to go through a lot of processes to source the funds and some you go through procurement process and some where you will be it can't happen in a day, it can't happen in a week, but every stakeholder no at this time no yeah they say any their fata into you are going through the processes near share you a bit hard more here. I mean, I had to say, you're panicking so much. Say, if you say everything must happen within the shortest possible time. No, it wasn't it me panicking. Say, you catch and say we shouldn't panic. So
when we are not getting water to wash our hands, we shouldn't panic.
There's water in the system. What we are saying is that let's use the water well. We go hard more around this time. You hear so maybe I know be any water hose na edane lawn or wash a car be always and I say sunny on around this time let's do things differently. Enjoy sunny on so we can save water in the system and then more people can have a access to the water. So I say inti obu hobitu like I say na mitua me water bill something can change am friends so no. These times are different. Until let's do different things. So I say, until Sashi saying egusu and you are talking about Uganda. I just didn't want to talk about. But me feel Uganda by best 2 weeks. Until me who they are called. So there's nothing like that.
Ya wan hu she
Kampala me hu bibia
wonte say wonu mu ayen hye ye foforo bia fa won system wonte ya na wan
bia me feel ho anormal 2 weeks ago.
O ba na change bia ma ene ye ya te ene say change aba ho
na make say bia me feel ho no change na aba but make say bia but they didn't. That has been done now. They didn't do that in a day. So tia say nti kakaka me do a joy family sanitizer ho but me who insuo any receptacle be meet me wash me nsa. So tia say
esiwo
Anchor kesian ye de si wo Veronica
bucket kesian
Veronica container
okay yanso Ghana water yanso the Veronica container is here
mo de anya Veronica bucket
step by step kakra so tia say wo say ye de ehia twi ye kan say dansan de fata nti ye to ye boy at this time no me sure say before the year no obi ade ne ka ne budget no say around this time no obi need this car for to fight COVID-19 so I say nti bibia I touch him and I can say bibia it's just happened. It's unprecedented nti afena ye nyina ye dream what we can do nti the little funds available no I will say we have to do the needful. So I say
yeah besa ba so if say na wo ka no budget ne de anim say November mu ne ye eti no ne sese ye de mamo ne ye twa to dada but do ba bi na ne ma ye den no enu na make say bi wo ene ese consolidated fund no contingency entity sikancho ho ase putuprum BBC anti se mo the request ko se Mr President so se ye hohore yensa ye ni akade we mo mfa mo ye mvi mo wo de ye ba ye nwie ye abusua ene ye hwe ensuo ye wo system no mu coronavirus no ye se e wo se ye di ye huni e wo se ye hohore yensa e wo se ade bi a wo ye no se wo hohoro ne ba ku mienu omo ana omu nware mienu nyina na omu dware mienu ebi mo ana nka odware ba ko obi kura na wotwe no adware miensa na obi ye dware eti nsuo no ye be yusu dodo ene ye pese ehu Ghana Water Company Limited wonum so preparations ne sanya bode bo adasa yani koni wasane Ghana Water Company Limited ene etwetwe nkomora inokasare water resource management mu ene wo ene abusia mi si nsuo nko ho asem na wo se ye ka ni ehwe nsuo ni si ye benya bio si ye nya bio Mr. Asari, good evening.
Good evening, Miniaba.
Yada se papa se waje so enwumre. If say enwumre ensuo no ensuo ne yehia. Ena mampani dia se mi tudwa World Health Organization wa hin o. Omo de niema e wo se nipa ye boy ye ho ban fi coronavirus no omo de tudwa. Omo se hohoro wonsa. Eno de the surest way a ye betumi aka so ye beboa no nti nei Ghana Water Company ene ene wo twetwe nkomo maka omo challenges a omo de wo bia sa bredi na wo se ye eja sare
yes yeah me kaya din because ensure no say Ghana ha ensure no I can say we river water which is mainly black water, white water ni echiwa ni nyina be kabon be lake here wa kosombo ya ensure bia wa Ghana bia virtually mining aseno so I would just say illegal mining aseno it is who in fact the only option left to say ni say aban be chest car in fact you be direct your effort towards fomunsio need the only option left for us
fomunsio dia hin ye tu ne form ana say eyi no
borehole
aha they say borehole they was here dey anywhere
sir because ensure what assassin there virtually you say ni na
borehole ne dey utu kwa form ntia no dey ense ye
borehole dey say no dey nam mu ba mu assassin ase so na in fact kamia say Ghana ha no fomunsio no yam fan serious because until mining illegal mining samba in sunu SSA no na I say sabikrobia da nsuo ho na obi a corner from odu ba bi otimi sabinom ne ade enti no I say fomu nsuo kra de yam fa ya ni hwe hokra ana sisi abase nsuo nyina ase o na se ka se even ye illegal mining no kwa ebeche ansa na nsuo no mu ate because nsuo no nya de a ese ya hunu ne keke na ya jaho na mom emu asisi ena nsuo so ahunu sa no upese eniti a ese nsu san atwe na tia ne ayi ni na ma flow ma fresh ones bam ena ya ka se the way be si acha no so no ye dimi ntwan sa and in this present day no the only option is you be confirm
na near Ghana Water Company for can near musumu dia beto so anwumre if say water resource management for so kase galamse no yensuo nyina sei eno nko ane hawo asese ama ensuo ni wo if say ye hwe nsuo a wo kan sutene ye wo man mu ha baby ananka dansie ene yesi dan no a de ben ho ye twa nwie wo hu nyina saa niema no de ye yi ani afiri na say aye galamse nko ana say
ani amaka say ansa kwa ansa na galamse ba no even baby ana ye to ball aguo baby ana to ball aguo we back waste management but the way I manage waste no na essay nsuo na te say wo ka say nwi a ye twagu no saa nema no but na kakra the illegal man and the back home that you say and the SCC bia agigon kra sana 70 and to say illegal mining there no the way I see amansu no situation aye no say ni mani mi pa there's also pay alternative pa there minu aba na maka na say aban twasika ye de beko asase akotuntuo eno kra no court say nkra kasem te say kumase no ne ada nkra kasem otherwise gebetmanya a form show of large quantities now say they would can the way you see dying the way you manage general environment no kra no e bi kra contaminate a form show no kra dia san aka ho enti Ghana you big challenge you asudi kese pa
sa challenges no Mr. Asare sa challenges ni nyina chiri no say ya hwe situation e bom wiase nyina say coronavirus ayi ni tire na ya sensa hohoro ebeboa ye pa ye wo haw ne de nanso situation no ebom no nka nwose by now Ghana Water Company Limited change bi abansa kira ye bi aba efa nsuo a ye yusuo baby e wose nsuo no ebi pie pipes baby e wose ye bi wo hu ensa kira ye a eboa se ekoi wa ye krado so obeboa ma coronavirus no ye tuase
oh so Ghana Water there wo there Ghana Water Company there wo depend on availability of the resource nsuo no wo ha no more said an equality city any no matter said there woman so ebe treaty na o mayen said nipa yusu ebe ye na se nsuo ni ho kra o mu no ba da no maye nsuo ni ho nsuo no access so much say and at the same time nipa no kra ebe yusu nsuo na tu aka no kra no sika ebe tu ade atua nsuo no ka no din yes ha say no ama car ye de betiti nsuo no kra sa ye kese mo e na bi wo ho no ma nsuo no bi wo ho a the Ghana Water nsuo bi te say bremu say de yesi hu wo nyina mu treatment be na uka so treat a machines kra do be treat no kra I can tell you say ade no kra nya adwuma enti ade na de Ghana Water for there obi antimi in my opinion, no say I can't say the blame me ma we are not being fair to them because woman there if you know how no more a treaty at the amount that's I didn't know how bad it so it's gonna make us the only way now pass ye double water availability and supplier the only option is I say try to invest into groundwater. And so me can say groundwater the way you see and say I find say crazy idea na ufa drilling machine kusi to winya kakra bia no afansa yes I say apply very scientific and also so a kawom enya cheap so nti I don't know so be here scan omo dey aside man. Intermediate, that's the only option that I can think of in the short to medium term.
No, send your work and some penny trust can say and fear you shall wa a bit tricky a bribes yet to me yet near work and ya.
Oh, I mean, how long coronavirus will last? But to me, no, I need be a woman, scientist, a woman one in there was saying sikane equipment ni adia obehia e dey say yes we fa Ghana see a lot of groundwater system aquifer systems wo yima yan identify wo kra yan share that pa anye an extensive research wo groundwater ho and am di kan say yeah because nsuo no obia hu say nsuo train that ho before illegal mining some other assets nsuo no ba no then nsuo obi ahu say nsuo ho nti groundwater no dey na say enhwe ho kra nti say we na ba a caller aba say ye dey ni hwe groundwater ho na ye develop ne harness So
yo
to me that's the only option left to us.
Yo, Mr. Asari jina susima Mr. Mate si obisa wa semba ko na yemfansi. Mr. Mate otiu.
Say pa na mpese me bisa bibi say if we also resort to a groundwater now, one, the volumes of water we will need for say a population of a city no na every time every day say second we need about, let's say, 11 million gallons of water, between 11 and 15 million gallons of water on daily basis. Now groundwater boreholes are here and a bit any volumes on daily basis. Now you train so isn't it going to affect the aquifers and aquifers no such that the earth surface no are unstable and I met person by educating and kakao sa we no so because so we have been exploring, but the thing is that there are dangers with that as well. Exactly into boreholes are yet to you know and shut down doors because if you said the more the more be affected the earth we know into more experts.
Water resource management for wide range be on Mr. Asari, trust my
Mr. Mate, and say in the first place, Ghana has aquifer system no based on fractured system. So that's a fractured system a mobile din and through geological activities near there as a young fan say cracks have been bebre so when cracks not be and show not really womb. Oh, now, sir, you see at Tisano, say, who extract here. There's no way bet me a course to say land subsidence in Sanema because we are not dealing in a sedimentary or unconsolidated sand. Be an acid, be Sao in Siono, and a keep you know. A team man needs support to the building business so and I say a team support to. Yeah, they are no assassin underlain by rocks. Oh, it is our land subsidence now, Okano. And no, the Memcra, so far as Ghana High is concerned, as I know. Now, about quantities now, Okano, so the number of boreholes, quantity of water, Ohiano. I'm sorry, you are looking at it from the background, say, the way over the years. Yes, if you said the groundwater is here, no, for who maybe or horn, yeah, 2 to 60 meters, no money, to 70 meters, 80 meters, not you took a crab banana fans. That be Yanisa. So they make a very extensive scientific study as here, you need me map out all the aquifers, need me. Aquifers are a high yield in Manema. Who call Libya nominate those kind of simple desert areas now. They depend on groundwater. And if you are cash cow, we're investing in identifying and developing our aquifers. I have Yabaka Niska. Oh,
Mr. Asari from the Okanes and the wedding is very Nakakra no Munyas Kanya, they say, or Musigalam say BT on me. Na near Okas and the wedding. Mr. Asari.
Hello?
Mr. Asari, Messena, Kakra na Galam say, BT or Mom Segalam say, and Yama Boydin, and near Wokas and the wedding on Betchmiako.
And I said no. Some Americans are buying. I dare say, okay, yes, one family, yeah. A bedu baby no. And I see I dare foot a friend simple. Who said they may see a book bano. You turn a boarding. So they are here. It is Hannah, I, Yanni, Yatahama, a do baby, and pepper so I do. So can you treat the honor idea? And any problem. But Yataha, Manina say, Anna, the cafe, my ubia. Minds too, and it will still take a long time and sana yet me I insurance me atne ama stage ubet me treating at economic cost if I no bet me afford so
yo Mr. Sare me enfansi ana ye na wase anwumei eda sepa wo mo a wo de aboa ni education a wo de amaye abusua yeguso efise coronavirus no de se wo hwe rate amanfo free mu na say me say ya ye na di ka ba ye no yen pese ye behunu obi a ene ye hunu na de yechi na emom se na esika yo na yare no na ti say na ti say kata ti say abusua Italy de no se wo hwe ne ekoso a wo hwe ne ekoso a enei the highest number ya chese nipa afiri mu omo record nipa afiri mu pa no ene nko an nipa afiri mu nyeketwa eti se ya moaboa ye ho yade ende wo gusu a wo tere ne nkwa ba mu yenya anu aduro ne de eti niema a yede boaboa ye ho no ensuo ka ho a abusia ne ba bia ye ni hwe no yemfoma dwenche ba akomienu na yenko yenim kwabna ba afo se ebi wai ka che Mr. Mate se Northern region chese yakura de ne mo ke kanta kura de ne enkran no amo mote won mu amusu no bra no fo na behwe mo de se manya kakra enom yatum ne abie na mote won amdwomanum mo nko no fo na mo kohwa ne yekoso ho no mo ka che Mr. Mate se duka da ya babi anye Ellen Ajima menu be mpaso de ni wose bi wai Ghana aban no me ne metumi aka fa aban no ho se niema ye week and isanko ye nipa anka ne namu agogo ene sen kwanya ye fa sutu nsase mu sade o moka che nipa nyina se munyai mine no na ye pese nsuye ni tie no bisa se nsuyo na ni ate na nanom hemfo ene nipa sansase ne hyabwase no mejiri se braso se ne district assembly wutu ye ba ne ye tu wo ho no mo a ye nchi nipa wo ho wo hina wo kronum ye nchi no enye sa ne ye tie ye bete da adomba keima osi good show ebi no kwasem ne se ye mpanimfo edi ya nimu no wo ebi abro ade ne ye nim se wose ye de tu na da bi na efrato ne ye hwe ne sa eti mpanimfo edi o man nanim omo hwe na omo ntoto niema Charles Nyakoso de ni osi ebi wa mechia wo hwe wunim se ni akoso ne Ghana no a mo ka no asofo na so brachiefo no a eno omo so omo ya asore collection kakra ombedie collection kakra sa asofo no de enye se wo ye bompa ye na nyame wo didi yi Mary ba ho no wo didi Mary ba be wu no obi edidi no eno omo so om didi no bi na wunim Italy ha sei ye wura wa so dem na wo ya asore no a wunim sika ye je o esen 400,000 na se na watcho no ene enye sika ketwa wasi sika omo je wo no wo ya asore pani no a wo de sika ye beje wo asore ma no so ye ji obi a 210 euros wo ya asore ba na wo ho no mo waso eden wo so be kwa asore ya ni aje wo asore ba beje wo na sofo no so ya aje no ye be bomu nyina ka suso wo ho no mo no emra no wo kina yeso ye mra na eba asofo no mu a chesemu de musimu ni mra so no wo kina Ghana mra na eba wo kina mo 10 o'clock anopa 10 na parliament a pass mra na wie na so mo pass wie enne de se kofo di oba na mo che no prosini ni so ye bo mo kokko wo hwe kro manu mo mra na ba wunu wasumu o emra ne be chewo enti wo kina mini se fiada manfo be ka se ena fiada ye kwa asori Pentecost ye si fiada obi a menidi ye ya akonchene eti sa wo ma asori fo ne ntire fie nya akonchene na so odi ombe ye be chemo jedura de ye odi abani o se bi wa ka che owura Stanley Mate ma me se onye bold wo be ma wonye bold na how bi omo wo no wonka ebi so obi anim se Ghana Water Company Limited wo mu face problems ba nwumre mi tie no no adwuma mahu se wo ye ne se wo massage issues asem we wo so ka ni pem en wo de ne nam sa antika chen se wo be ma mu onsi isuo mansa no ham jedura de ya wode abre jamate no Kingsford Kwame Mills so de wo se bi wai mate se empanifo plan so mo kwaji loan wo IMF wo no mo na anim wo mu ntumi nko because 2016 campaign no omo ye ne say ene ye ba IMF yi ye be free mu ye nko bio na niema ye den ene say wo so omo ko IMF bi se sika ni wo bosia na wo so okwaje eso wasem aka yenti ebi a wuntumi nko na adwempa wodi asempa so otoso mienu ni wo se ebi wai True Africa Music Shop ye wo East Legon hono mo na metie mu free pa na Virgin Mensa Chelsea won so se akokre na mehwe mo efi na ya won kura de hwe wabenye obi wo ho se I miss you ejabi no so wa missing wo platform so say the platform so de eniema koso so Eric Ovin so de your day aba o se bi wai sa galam se yi ensem a ekoso no e wo se mampani de ne na sifom e se mitie mo fa be wo so na chese nyagoro utia sa aban mpanimfo nim hu bi ntie ntimi fie na nsifom aban nya bibi mfa ho Mario Pastor so de o se bi wai monto adwuma ne so my Mariam ya o se mehwa mu free abroche ton good job na abroche ne ba bi a won ehin na so we e na kwabia so de o se Oslo Norway na bi wai kachire mpanimfo ne se ye de hia ansane ya ye de tene se ne mpanimfo bi aka no studio ho no National Register no ne na yefu adwuma na omo ye mka nche omo so omo nyai na omo nko prisons wono mo nipa no agba ape so no mko ye kon be fa so aso sa problem no na omo nya registration ni omo ye na hu hia kora ana Munkaila Jonas said yi aso de ne ye carry ene odi free o se bi wan Ghana hia bold leaders eti se mampani na nado otiso yi eze wo hwe decisions abo taking na bold decisions and wo take eti Ghana fo hia mampani bi sa kwame anim so ade ani wo se bi wai Amsterdam en ye hwe mo efre ana Isaac Chumasi Tel Aviv na chese Israel en wo no se bi wai coronavirus no de nsempii o ye nkwadwuma ba bi a me wo no se ye nkwadwuma na ne mi suro ne kwan mefa so atua me rente hwe ye foreigners di ye wu se so de oba enye yie Chumasi se oba enye yie enti rente oba yiri yo se oba besa ho pe udu airport wa besa ho minia ene akoye no na huntumi nkwadwuma so no atua rent twedi ampon esu ani yesu no obi na ka na asem se meka sa nyina ye mpaye ye bom mpaye ma musumu mobi maye ebisa wo se sa ne ma sa wo ba airport ye besa ho makopoku mensa wo se ebiwai hwe ebi yusunsio free kache Ghana waterfall ne se wadwuma no sene ene owura ahinkan ye no waste ye wo system num dooso ebi yusunsio free wontuaka wa ewe hotel bi wo Laboni oh eya ye bold na call mo office na ko kache mark be a good citizen na ko Ghana waterfall office ono mo na ko bo mama ne wo se hotel bi wo Laboni area ho ensuo mu yusu kapre mu ntua enso ensuo no wo mu yusu otia bibisa no amampanimfo na te why Timothy Mensa nunwa adegono eno owo wo se ebi why bra behwe nunwa adegono ho no mo ensuo ko ye de betwetwe yese yenya bi ne ye de bi akọ wore yensa o ensuo ni ho mo se ye hohore yensa ye kofa no wai ne adigu ye no nkure nya bi na ne adigu yensa so jako ka so de ni wo se ebi why treatment meba betwa so afi wono mo owura mante mejini se wati bi amanfo nsem omoka na nwumre no se ye nyina ye be free dem ha kwa mesrew me hu niam amode agu akwan mu for coronavirus yansa ne asori why koso ne yenko
okay nti to say the American initially no you hu say sisia no nsuo na betima boy fi sa or how no nti in most parts of the country no you increase production so that we can get more water our system no and in treatment plan so do the threshold no so and also we are following on redundancy na yitimenya more water our system afi so yakase Oshe we to say Accra system no a bit there's some imbalances in the system since here into some areas experiencing low pressures na no keka Nina is because demand has gone very high, and it's also because we are in a dry season and a lot of people are resorted to the use of treated water for NWP. Into the yes let's say in so na system no endorse kakana wa hono so ho na unya no regularly Bomodin say no maybe to say a watering of lawns, washing of cars with water hoses, leakages na best na no ka ho ya ye wo receptacles so in poly tanks na no ka ho ball valves no asay no and as a ball valves in no ye fa ye fix it and I see no na inso no anko overflow inso kitikiti bia e wo bibia ehu hia say nemre ye ka say. So let us do things differently so that we can save more water in the system. Na etimi AUC yeah I store inso na ye so regularly na ye store inso no ye so ye increase your storage so no ba ye increase your storage because we need more water than before. Yeah ye store be crowd there ye do pepen so bia e was say utimi store. We've spoken about
there was so be a time kure
so be a toby. We've spoken about Veronica buckets and I am say minya be my time so eka no so asem ye nyina ye improvise bi nti se one so ntimi aye when you be anto one sa ultimi improvise and now make sure every time bia no you are able to wash your hands under running water and then when dispose of insono after yeah boy your home modern make sure say bibia be koye desalination plants no e be back into operation you sure say ade be chi no na enya back pay ebema obi aswati so that we can get more water into the system. Inti boreholes bi or hod mo ye UCB o ni nyina ye service na make sure say timenya inso more water system no na bibia etimi akoso ye that's it. So I think some of the issues are more for raising and yeah bema free tamale make tamale asem say because your dry season and because of the way omu treat omu ye na Winnie River no mu tu anu ya na no e no na create problem nti ntwi nso dodo na anu mom nti there's always a gap between demand no and the supply and the only way between and say you be check nso na mo obi akaka because say nso no ni horma just like ye nua bema ofi water resources kind say if the resource is not there na Ghana Water Company feed no will be there. There's nothing. Entering treating so. If you didn't see on in so never treating in the horn, entering and yashi. That is why I can say let us manage the water bodies very well so that we can treat the water for the people. Inti say on also in Mianom and or Honma he can play a role by advising them say they should stop polluting the Nawuni River. Then we can you bear with me say during the rainy season in so no show now two and we are able to treat enough water so I don't think that dry season in Bassa there's a challenge and we all must help to solve that challenge.
Can you say yana me sheme say any da so na we na say ase any da so ni baby a eti obi antu ntusu ya na enkotu form
de bi enya ye tu form so no so on the challenge so what I say and a form so no so enye say utu form no so no ba now you see because in so no e wo compounds bi ho no untu for winning hu a bia it wouldn't be good for your health. So I say, inti enya se utu form ni so bia na bia no issue. Ye nya no sa. Inti Ghana Water Company Limited ye boy your home modern. Ye nyo ba bi si frɛ or say or sha me massage issues. No crany I'm not massaging any way. I'm being very frank with the people of Ghana because ye do pempen so bia o massage issue no ama enya for so ben if so. No cry eda hono na ye ka no. Inti yembo mo.
Ya no crany ni se muniska.
Second, your tariff crowd any adequate for a way. So sure, the cost of production and the way a tariff are you there's a difference. Your cost of production per liter any a tariff no difference a woman crab on just say every 1,000 cubic meters of water you produce no you lose about half the cost. As a result of the tariff that we have, so we are unable to break even profit.
Tinesa mo anya sika sa ya de we say in the midst of sa ya ye we ni say sika kakra ma muntumi nane mo ho ba bia ma ne nye ye
kakra na ebetimi aye no ye eno na ye guso.
But you need money.
We need investments. Nyama ye kenya fan say non revenue water na no keka nyina. We can't solve the problem without investments. So I say, inti sesi marketing we baby the little resources that we have no, we are managing it very well and marketing ourselves, opening our doors for investors to come in. And Sunday bit me, we need investments, and without investments, some of these things cannot happen. So you find some person me bought pons na me sika so pons are main powder. So I said
so you more powder.
It is and be person
powder ni bia no so kra na efo.
Enunti manage no kakran. So I say but your management na sing no in Africa no we are seen as a star. Ghana Water Company Limited. Hey, sir. I am telling you.
Money mu stars.
I know na make catch no. And you receiving international awards. And we are receiving international awards.
For doing what?
Several awards.
For doing what? Awards are winning for what?
Sometimes we are here and we don't appreciate what we have. But on more global level, no, they know say we are doing really, really well. And at that he will attest to the fact. And no your challenges are not just say we are not doing well. And that is one thing.
It's award na moje and for den.
And your award back open ya
awards no be for den.
Several, but and coronavirus inti, let's concentrate on that one. Oh, and do previous I will talk about that one. Until me pacho obi ka say hotel labon hotel bo hon mama illegal connection. I wouldn't want to respond to this one alone, but me catch a Ghana phone na say your neighbor be a illegal connection. We are all we are all paying for sa illegal connection now. So let us stop them. Yentimi stop or report to the Ghana Water Company Limited. Nintimi enko stop or so I say well we should know that. Nungwa adogono or say near in Sumba and in Sumba because we are serving another area because my case testing nungwa exactly but we are hoping say and then you're saying yet to say what how the Jamaica initially this desalination plant will come on board not a rational because when they are producing constantly and consistently now the pressures will improve our area now I'm omitting me so
yeah that's the prime Mr. Mate Benny ni sujumadi suni Adom 106.3 FM wo yuka GM radio so eni adwumadi Adom eni affiliate stations ahoro aka FBA nyina enne ye hwe Ghana Water Company Limited wonu ma hu sesi abadwo coronavirus yimu ehhehye ye ode agu akwan mu se wo ba me anyanhwi ahohoro yensa ene ye ne mpanimfo gu so a ye twetwe nkomo no DBS roofing sheet adawroma oboye chidom enchanse papa ye de borders wo hu sa wo de enchanse papa ne borders na nhwio kura eto a wutumi sobi abusua sa enchanse ne nya enhwio no egu so no so a wanum sufon na se enchanse ade aboda no so ye DBS roofing sheet enhwio no gu so na ehone na nkresi wo wo bucket si wo na ebi abegum na chese insurance ye free soro nyame ani de na watumi de bia yo wade alomo bitters alomo at 20 enfia duonu alomo bitters ba dwaso na busua woni anum bia nim se bitters de ye duro poho kakra na ye de asomu eti yese to ade na jade otobi na wonum wi asachet no hwe ho a ne atwere wo hu bia wawin promotion ya year from 2019 ye de awuramu 2020 corona imu nyina na ye da so chaade alomo bitters da so chaade wonfa corona ho kora etu de utobi wi ahwe ho aponche ne da ho awe ni aponche sa bire o hyedem dodo na nkwa adwumai o hyedem na awe aponche a wona asen na gbeve herbal center ene ekostu so tum last stop na kohwe hospital yes ni say echenchire yen esi wono wuwura ho asaburochire Ghana ha ya nesie na akwakwa ayade bia de bewura ho no alaji ne nkrofo giom say ato atwene fa yaresa kofie ena ne wode mona soap na mona cream abebo ye chidom eti wukọ baby etone nuro bia baby eton herbal product bia no bisa mona soap mona cream ubenya bi ena Franco Trading Enterprise Papa Franco enhira ne nkanwo so di mobile phones ba ni enisi awie ewo mu a wo se makofa laptops abamonye na mo fancy office afedi 2019 mu ekogu a wo se masadi TV abeka mo Franco TV chese ya TV ebu ni mu shape wom TV ase wo ba shape wom kama ena enso modi abadwa so yedamase na Franco Trading Enterprise the branches no ne the whole Ghana ebi ewo ba bia etu hia wo niema no a abefo kwan so kra no www.francotradingenterprise ubetumi enwatwetwe nkomo Black Rock Honey Whiskey eye whiskey ya chese ye de ewo na aye ewo ene ye de aye whiskey ene ye de abadwa so enti wote scent na aroma no na egu chechema so de a ene ye bokọ sa eti wodi gu rock no so we blog no na de aguso na wo sipu na kakra Kasapreko Company Limited adawroma en wo de abadwa so ni mfie du nwotwe enkohu na anka ho wonka ho kra abushia hu se nkwada ne yese omumre fie enkwada ni nyina COVID-19 ti yese wo mre fie sa wo ba ba fie na wuni sika be classes amano classes no kura nipa no ko mbebo chenku eti ma ba nko ombe doso ma ba nko ma ne ntire TV ne ho sa wo multi TV big boss ni bia ma wo ba ne ntena sise ya joy learning enkwada e wo SS ni nyina adesua no subjects abo ye nyina ene commerce English geography de ni nyina ye kire ne honum ti akwala ne te ho a teacher ni gira TV ne so ne wo kire no enti ase be na wo ba ni nya eti enu bro mbeko school no na wo ba no wadi kan joy learning ni ye de boa no e ma COVID-19 tu ma metena fie ne yanka so wonum asa abon ko ma wonhia bi na enema enkoye ma memra wo so misahin Mami ma osu me gidi se ensem owura Stanley ma tedi atodwa nyina watibi hin ne ye koro de na wo se ya ankasa ye wo COVID-19 gi mu sabre ya mpanimfo me yete ase se ensuo no oman increase production kakra nanso ye so ye nhwentoto de na wo se ye as individuals a ye de be ma huni aba
edi kan no pese me kan se no ko ni Ghana Water Company yen kan se omunya adwuma wo adwuma de omu ye bi ze wonya abasebode a omu DJ isan se we Africa ha ye hwe utilities a bibi ti se owo propo department omo ani ko mobro wa ho a em se wo kan ho afi so inso na omu produce distribute by infie no so de toto other countries ho a em se omu quality no e wo soro esen bebre ti modi omu bobi ni ye hwe kwa se nkombe ye asen se ne omu ye ohun boni say wherever there is a will there is a way ohun where COVID-19 bai hwe nhihya ye de gu akwan anamo a ye tu se wo a obe to emra no ho obe fomo no emra no obedi se ne wo kan ye no surface water Ghana ye wo surface water bebre in terms of volumes there here one of the countries I won't super as enka ye hwe abo ye nsuo no ho ban a enka ye ma medu ba bia ba bedri na se nipa se nsuo esan galamsey na ye de ase ye ntumi emmo ho ban no se wodwen ho a wontumi ntiase enso aban wo tumi o a na opese o ye bia no enka obetumi aye nti de ade se de esan ato aban anim se wo ma ye ntena ho saa ma nipa kakra bi ense ye nsuo no ema Ghana Water entumi ntwiti ema se kra nsuo de be hore ensakra no ho ya yedin ne mpesa me ka to aso ne se yenwa be ma na obekasa ye no water resources management
ni no Mr.
no ka boho ho asem boho no ye tupa o Ghana ha ye tu boho pa o say akwese rural and small towns no omu depend solely on boreholes and urban areas no it depend solely or mainly on surface water no na ehun akwa to chimen nenso borehole no so tuo no ensam wo ho papa wo betu borehole no be hu se iron wom fluoride wom afi arsenic and sometimes cry no trace metals they say lead money ade ehun sem doso nti ese ni treatment no so ekwa anim ansa na watumaye nemom se ye ka se ye de ni so hwe ho a ebia ye won so bebe nti ya me ani anko ho sabe ya ye ho ya kire ye ho surface water no ebia o se ye ma ye ni so eko ho na etoso biem nipa bebre enam se wonya nso bebe o nti no watutu boreholes bebre a borehole ni tu no ka utu a enka mrada ho enso se obia no otu borehole a o de sa mra no to ho izan so ohia nso no bebre kra tu borehole na omon test it. There is no water quality test na onu nso no sa send Stanley kan ye no o how bebre betumi aba sa afo no so izan se nya nso bia na ye no enye nso bia mpo na ye de ho ye num ana se nya nso bia mpo na ye de si niema challenges wom indi se ye si etu nso e wo ye fie dia ye momodin se benya regulator bia oba be hwe ama obia nso a otu no emfa o how emba sanse obia so otu bi dia and then the how can see pa ebebre say you need some stability in the soil structure. See to no by heart ebema or house waba. Me de a foot ba kwa Ebema Ghana Water Company and say, oh Sabrino, we are not in normal times. And they say, and we here say you bet me 2 boreholes be Krobi Mua. I high yielding, Nanka mechanized a distributi amoma. Yet treaty and me free say, and ka a bit to me aboa. Yes, in the and store water, yes. A bit too a month for you now for say, and so ka cry obey your system no, but more than now was Toby. And say no can obey your sobeto ankra ko nakotobi. Izan say unyan so ni send nanka unyano no. Na wana wo wasting so no so e wo mbia bebre or the whole cast bebre or the tone ne garden mu. Na say ye bu so no gu. Na o tufu say be ya onya. Efuto sa no de nya de ombejai o. Nya de ombejai say ye ntu anamu bia. Ye say ye stop it for no from using the water to water their lawns. Utufu na onya because on na dwen say o twiaka. Ne refi say obi nso hia say nso ni bi. Na no kwa no point me atwia hoka. Afen so say nso to. Ebia ibetumi nso ahia rainwater harvesting. On the nso aheto yetimi wesi nso bebre. Say hu be hia say ebia ibe create large reservoirs bi, especially in institutions, schools, hospitals, hotels. Nanka yetimi store say nso na ma won. Ebi kwa ye treaty na mu use ya. If say nke be take pressure no every system no so. Ama kakra ye won yetimi dia serve. I mean, if you munso. I feel so minim say Ghana Water Company the tanker services, omo deploy tanker services. Sabre ne be say tanker services no ebe increase. Na tankers na doso. And I feel so minim so more some storage facilities. Sabre hu be say be betimi expand those storage facilities na ni titi omo a sabio omo ni bi no. Omo ni bi the poorest of the poor. Any the most disadvantaged, you know. Et menya nso ni bia me fi se enkebe boy yi pa afen so ade ba ko ni se empempi complaints ba de ma nipa bebre ni abre ni se ubekọ companies bi no na ka ode e won nsuo hu no bebre eso na Ghana Water Company for munkotwa sa akofo no nsuo mo na omugusu yusu na efie ketua bi a ono no kakra bi a wo yusu o accumulative bill kakra bia na edimirika na akọ disconnect no mo no de omo ho akire omo enso na omo wo bi na omo aboka akese ego no na omo kwan ama omo de omo guso a ebo sa aka no go eno ye best say Ghana Water Company into sana mo no na aboa ama especially the low income communities no omo so etimi enya ahon high kakra
yadase misahin abusuye nche yebebie enhoma no atuma ma mode madwenche ba ode baby awo bia no wunsuo no hawo bia wo ho no ensa nwumre de misamati amiate ase se ensuo no ye cheche ne se adum hyira nsuo ntie duru so no wa mu bia etu de baby awo no yehu se hyira nsuo no wage ode mwanya bi na yehu ebere ben na wunya edi weekend san wasenya baby awo bia no ye bi enhuma no atum obetumi ede wadwenkyere abadwumadie no eso ansane asori na kwadwo Perez de yodi aba o se ebi wa wunim sanura ya Kede Senior High School headmaster na order say final year students ni nyina boarding o meda dem honu mu o se ni o modadada no a na headmaster ni minim so wo pesu oku nkwada no a kwadwo wunim ni yase final year students ne de omunko na entity mu ni yase omunchichem eti kona kohwe arrangements na fe yentwa free wo why paako Peterson so de yode aba wo se catch me brother semeda na sepai wo se protect surface water bodies no wo se ye na nsuo so enwurugu kwa no so no yetumi asuso bie eti catch owura ne semeda na sepai timo obuaten nkrade nkomo na odi ena na epoku de yode aba wose bi wa misrew misamate asemu abisa ya wanya no misrew bisa ne ma mese award no omoje ye no womoje faade ben ho evise ye ni abiri ye pensuanom ye de Ghana ni enimu an se Ghana water ne mansuo eti se ye nyansuo na eche so omadwuma na nsani eti so so omade award no a di award no omoje ye evise ye nim se omoye adwuma foforo bi eka nhie wo so wode ma ye nom ho na epoku ne de yode ben no Joe Kennedy so de ni wose wanya party bi mpanimfo on kwa de abubodi aka ho na galamse wo mo ye omde asensuo no mo so ya Ghana waterfo na mu dwa wo mu betu wo homoa mo nka nche party mpanimfo na galamse ni so omunyai kwabra mo akwaje wo se me show free US great program maybe why misre wo hu na nka me hwe animu se saa biri ni ekoso ne ni asinti saa coronavirus we no wo bia take advantage na ade awunya wo dia request for etina me ka so owura ma tebeka se ye hia sika sei na aboa ya me ayadwuma ka chen se onsi so e se biri we ye hia omomo a etini ombeka bia no me giri se ababa ye emfa ho ne budget a wo ka ho asem no Joseph Amoako o se bi wa me chia mo Iva Asare o se bi wa mpese mi hu se alata semna no ye de horo ye nsa eno te se semna no ahie won ni ade alata semna ye ne me nya santi so me de nim se alata semna de odudware ahufi wudi dware efise no abi ne adi dwade na emom ensa ne de emso mmeka ma doctors ne mebrome etunya doctors no a alata semna ye dware ehufi wo de horo nsa so ebie befi Bob Jomo wo se mesre o ma Mr. Martin simu bio wo se sa teshinsuo na eba bio ka che ne se ye mpeda ka che ne se chese nsuo ne ye nye enchini nsuo ani nsu kankan en wo de bre ye hono mo a omude brofo kese ato so desalination plant enju ti ase nsu papa ensu omude ba ne ensu e bon ensu enchene nkonchini nsuo ena omude bre ye etika che ne se ye yade ye niema mu nyina awe na ache ena ye funyade ye so bi wo techini ne important ti ye mpesa nsuo ne bio Abraham kakari o se na ayefo munka nche o se adwuma na wo ye no nyai Mr. Mate ma memfa homa no entumu na afi ye questions no me gidi se wajo TV e se minim se nsuo ne se ye se bon nsukankan na mode ema wo abushia 0302 216561 0302 216561 ana 0302 216562 abushia enya komo so benya Mr. Mate sei etinei wo se kita pen kita paper wono ote ha no mumisa wo beyi ano hello
Awaima.
Eja wudini baby afrefre.
Pachos need to tell name free United States of Ashama Madrid.
Yo in United States of Ashama to asoma yen.
Me ben Wakyewaa na so. Awaima me chamu ni is my pa mo ba my Ghana. Sani yare we aba mo educate here sani yesu aye ben no ni we ni na mo educate here. This Penyu for on muye galamse both MDC party A party B party C MPP numo on muye galamse no so on be gaya ni yehu betoya hwade asi wo China ni kunku ni sese asi ye beka se yesa local pipe so ye see ye won hyensa ni wen Mr. Busa na village for no so on mu use pipe no so on mu so be den on mo ni busa ye hwe on mo ye man ni bi kan possible pepper ni Charlie ni na assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam yeda se hello
ABY
mini a udini baby afrefre
leka fonama
evo
mitna si wa ha
utina se wo ha to aso
ABY anumre maminchia onabo adwasafo abadi obi adichia ABY adi ba ko a Ghana ha mahu se midimini ase atrasi pa omumbua Ghana eye sa PRO for ni omo kasa nyuma wo Ghana ha hwe since ni trasi se me ye politics sa anipa wenu no omumbua ye obi ti se papa yo tenasi the adentran bi kan sa
den waka wa moa
the mi kan se ABY wa ya dwuma ya che omuba ade no omutimi nkan o hwe ye wo grounds ye nim sa ade bi se koso unse so ba ade ne ha adwuma no obeka no no di nanti ha no di na because okoka I don't know so muba no mukoka amukọ ebe yo madi osise o konsebo ka ho no nyina no asem no kula ni trasi ai se oka ba ontimi mia ni asinka minim so okoka o tena ebe yi na di o enya onu nko a o PRO fo nyina e kasama Ghana dwuma sa no muye hwe pipe ya punso na trasi obu pipe trasi a 1 hour na efi pipe transo no mu nso o se obi wo o timi di na no tra pipe no no nso direct and see me bisani say pipe na nso no wom efi hifa efi rice ni mu na efi ba bi dia e dey na akoso Ghana brother kan no kure no na abai ni hu di akoso na dey na jari hu di 1990 usoro so beka
Yeah, that's it. Efo, me emfa NCA say hello.
Hello.
Eja udini baby afrefre.
Pacho, from honorable Katupa.
Yo, honorable me ntio.
Jerusalem. Pacho. Ali chebe craft to the Flamonia Abanum. Because Shagana, Obumun Sunum, and so almost a team and Sunny Suna. Fine Abanian soon. I got ruin.
So I said,
I soon to know what there. Tim down so bang. I swim quano. Tim and some bang. Tim down so bang. And some come channel. Peace nanya and yakra or that tim down. We need more water.
Yeah, that's it. Asam na wo kan won so ache mu no se mosi yan hohoro yensa no nsuo no we na ye de ahohoro yensa. Hello. Mini audi ni baby afrefre.
Everywhere.
Eja.
Pacho udru ni gomo de rampo.
Odo mi enti o.
Yo yankopon na somdwe onko papa na we take queen na.
On council.
Na minchia eye gomo West parliamentary candidate Richard Jan gomo West Richard papa. Okay. Sure. Mama kind there. Yes, in the Bodu baby was your for your gallon. And a young crowd, your Francis have been to one. So how big Sakalam say in the area on number my yes to say, you put your bomb measures in your friend to work. Because he doesn't know you put us in it to become a follow of Ghana. No, everyone may be sent American. Because if you double that toward the one that goes to the last, you shouldn't power. Me judge the wallet of Akua Boakyewaa Yiadom for never. In Komai Ghana, what be that? I mean, Yama, both off now, Wayama, into baby, and so on you got them. Then, sir, in Ghana, what the ultimate provide the bear 11 million. Yabakodia, Yabakodia, Sala, Yabatine, 4 million, and 5 million, and we'll produce what I'm in. Oh, yeah, it's a what be that, what I'm to what would you get? Say what else? What be that? What I say?
Yes, we are that's no adventure. Hello.
Hello.
Eja udini baby afrefre.
But your favorite graphic map.
Yo, mini akua pem pon fon ya to asoma yen.
Obi anwe. Kaka mechanic insu na semene de ehia pa. Sana yembra pa indi kankan no. Your company view o mayima. Wo yususu. Enso no Ghana water. Buso shi amotumi ko ho ingogo die 1 base. Demo akwa na efiefi mo no buso shi ya pe. Na wa hawo. To gantia na o beka wo sum. So conference ni so na ebo o manyika mo. Ye wo mi wo pe wo mayima wo yususu. Wo beko na nsu apai. Wo beko ba bi na yi me water da wo na apai na nsu bo. Wo sabri ni bre sanka ehia ma nsu be hia ma ye won bɛn because yare abɛn busi be bia be yan hore yansa nsu wusu na akwa awega ma ai amafi ekafe mampo ha nsu ta ase obi pipe what afi if you ever catch your fire what you know woma won dubadina wudi no en kwototi na obi anwo han wo nsu na yen kansu fi abonone na ebe manyimu.
That's it. Yeah, that's minia. Na sister Mariado, or see bi wa mata iko na me won sioko. Sioko yenya bi wa mata iko. Etikache me samate se wochina. Wakwa wo mumie na mata iko fo nyansuo. Yemfa ofefo na yenya ne yemfansi. Hello. Hello, minia odini baby afrefre.
Madam, good evening. I say
Adumo na so
Madam Boko. Madam Pocho, na kakampo contributing there. Yes, Stanley the King na yentro.
Yeah, mudi ayin na yentro. What can say bebre dia na yentro.
The yentro say the population of Accra they go very wide. Who tell me? Che Kasua Ofako all over the place. By way they use gravity. This around the professional go right into gravity and twin wire. Yeah, you so na air corner. There's some use pumping machine. Almost new treatment plant. Wait the hole. Normally, new transmission line, almost be referenceable. Pumping machine, but computer, but chrome because almost the gravity and wire. What the mention I say? M wire because professional shop like the West is more chewing. I dare to showing to me for broadcast is only to me call. Carson to me call. It's not my showing to me down soon and to me call because gravity is trap. Gravity and why because in so that you report better and attack for another before MY and there's so much to pump machine. Only treatment plans for sure. No more to pump machine for people in book group. Yes, I've been a better. No more revenue anymore because where people are paying the money, the water is flowing now. Ever boy is better than say. In Kofon show now, your friends in Kofon engines for no more trouble. And then why am I for so? But some kind of question public. No, some of president or president warm no more yesterday expansion war, production war, and woman are better since say almost extensions to all over the places. Enjoying to be control of Russian fuel. What the mission I say? Now, one more thing, my chest on motor saying, yeah, my chest in free goods in corner motor, and tell me to me why.
Me da wase pa ne wo kan che so wo information mo so ye adwuma Ghana water Mr. Mate so ye adwuma Ghana water so ye dey no wo che titration me titration am say enyi layman bia ni ho onim sa terms no waka kan fie guso amuto nyina na so otim say he knows more brofo no yemfa we ntwa to na fe yemra na questions bi wo hono mo a Mr. Mate nyi ano emaye.
Hello, everyone.
Minia, udini baby afifi.
Madu, yeah, na se bari man pesa kantamanto.
Na se mienti o.
Na was enchia mi papa no wakasa bi bla sensu. Na epanchowa won se emia bia bi on ma ensuling ko bi di setaifa. Ene ni mpata mu na. Ensu ma na ko for pipe ya na abelante every akuchi. Se obi di nsaka dia. Eye din se won su koso. Ta won se pipe ma. Na all kinds of things. And what say? To so be glay, me be glay. Ni pakas I walk room. Yes, I pray. I say, you mean so fear. You have to pipe on the aquapin so. So when they say, there, you hear so. And no more what hours if we pipe over pipe, over fla. Mean so boo. And to say a blind woman. If you so power, they say a community 5 minutes, there will be running, sir. A community 2 minutes, there will be running, sir. And so what actually, what pump on the first one, on the mention, Abamo, not the dear pipe, no a booby.
Yeah, that's it. Minia, Yamfa, we in chat.
Hello, everyone.
As I would any baby free.
I'm because of you about from Coffee Writer.
You coffee writer to us, my
Everyone. Odi bia yempeng funu why bibia why yo ko funye su papa so pipe pay the flow bi amba mpeng funu ode why nhihye na wadwinu kuro na watminum manya wadwen de asam ba bogwan efi ukom na akwa abochi se mesu abochi tisi awo na rokwa na wana na oreba mpeng funu won ma da asam ba won twa pranchi kiti na won kasa won yer tisi arokwa e kasa won yer na kokuko wo into one bin ukuna what moon one Francis papa 1.2 konum am a bibisa wa to too much maybe ye did down over fry the work for plane we going with ticket we going say Moses will kokoro into kona what moon 1 say kun no ya papa mo wala want to but that's it
yes yeah that's say obi anwane nko ba bia na hi bi hi na wo rani tu abrochire ho na say ya sam na no aka esi asante say ebi wai me ne amu kan nyina madawo matume boho biti ho enu minsuo yese me fi Ghana waterfall me ne omu ni twaka bia ne omu keka nyina he mitie bia na mtie ni keke se omu kasa na mitie na se omu ha be me ha de twam matume minsuo Sam Hayford so de ni wo se ehwe leakages no a ewo ensuo ni oman Ghana mu no basa oromate ya bre na ya so questions no so doso eti kosoma me
enti me ni ma bono tofa na yetimi ewie ntem em se munia bema ka se omo a ye catch-up so mo mo de no mu jai auction of loans and washing of vehicles no enya de on be jai em se their legal customers enti omo tu omo be like or how be anyhow. But we are living currently in times I will say here differently. So the first for us to do is to appeal to their conscience. Into your monetary system, no, you appeal to mona afe. Not still they are not doing it. Then we'll use our own means in stopping them from getting insuno. Into a first step. We spoke about drilling of boreholes. Ghana Water company yewo yen drilling unit yewo equipments are yedi 2 boreholes. So but then say enye say 2 hours was say to need to. So I say exactly. But conditions must be right for the drilling of the borehole. So I say baby here say kutua na ebe buana ebe kwa kutu na bua san kran cross here ebe kwa ko test na bibia na etu na ye dia bua nti idea ye guso ye but to say the yen nyina ya kan no yen nyina we are scared of the stability of the earth in case say bit you tunu pi na bit na affect stability and until na yen na ye hwe ho so ye na amfa how be am brain afi tanker services make us initially no so make us say yen tankers so sisi ano dia on standby obi pe sisi ano or how na woman ye serve essential service providers not to say hospitals until standby as a hospital and now schools and any essential service provider being here or free and pair to say fire service she na you make sure say in so baby and say community si bi almost no move face challenge be no more friend say tankers available around that time now we'll go and serve them immediately and then be on standby. Exactly. Yes, they should do that through their community leaders. A serious challenge we'll go there immediately and then have them sorted out. So Bibi ba app say ebi ohanwa ebi mu de ka nkiti bia na ye disconnect am na bi mu factories and industries we de ka nkese ye disconnect entesa ye system no any regulation PLC regulations are you using no so what emre a was so betimi dia disconnect obi so into obo ohanwa o de ka kese but some brena between that disconnect no enye nduye ebu hono regular obi a otua ne bills nti se denu nduye otu nka say o bosemi aso ye ya nti o ka kodasi entesa obi so ha eso aso de but ebia na we exceed days no kra eno nche say eso nti disconnect o se say me no ka say ye run a performance improvement program target say that my districts no any regions no e were very very high nti ye fast and me no ni India grow kra because yenye sika kakra na tariff na iso maye nti anji saska no anase amofu into bills na affecting operations because saska na near the top chemicals na no ka and it me treating inso no nti sa no ye fen diagro ekra yen ni obi so frya opese me answer a question on the awards mean that na entwa kohwi and I remember going to Toronto. But the person can say even in African countries, a lot of African countries know about Ghana water, understand the operations and the way exactly so. You mentor a lot of African countries. Some catch yourself if you Uganda crab and chair. A be no. I feel in desalination plant no. Obisu can about the quality no. At the frontier Emma and saying a call from and now omutu the fact say now you feel say raw water quality water quality no yeah. Catch on said no. Ghana Water Company Limited, Ghana Standards Authority, any WHO standards, and standards in so and ye pese yema Ghana for momono. If they can't meet standards now, we can't allow them to meet standards. Because you are testing on hourly basis. Yeah, that's it can never happen. Yeah, that's it. Mpachombro okakana because
ekuma abai de on say duku gina wachi mama zimbi walande eti wo de ne inferior goods ni na hia me yese ne ma amoto amode ye adwuma no
okay nti to say the mekan initially your standards are ye in bibia you ntimi to inferior goods and find pipeline extensions there be it doesn't happen. so tia say inti nipa kro no kasa no
was problem no kranka
oye insider pa but or was say otonobo no oti operations na
adwuma ni bia wonim mu no oti se wo ka na enimu anu wabam
inti the way kasa about gravity no e che so sheda ntia se papa but you so insider inti was say otumi otonobo no osua adwuma ni yie na oba outer na wetimi abani yie
that's it Mizamati yenya husi efre wo education no so nti bra no beba na waboa ya education na kwaso e say nsu fin na nam pipes mu no e ho so hia mimi fie say wubu a fin eti ye behwe eno so akiri ye that's why ye that's it abushia yemfa Mizamati ensi ha wone misahin yedamasepa koniwasefo maye adwuma na che muguso so yani so dimachi yedamase Western Limate director of communications at Ghana Water Company Limited and a vice chair ya wo koniwasemu owura ata ahenso yedanase na medami producers list for Abednego Asante Sedu